it's Bison and today we're doing another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you some of my pets. Then I'm gonna be also taking this boy for a walk. Then maybe in the next video we'll take this boy for a walk. This one is my old dog named Poncho. He's a bit of camera shy. See, look. Okay, let's see if he'll. Poncho. See, he kind of just veers off. And then this is the dog that we're gonna be taking for a walk. Yeah, he's a dirty boy. You're a dirty boy. Yeah, he's my puppy Rocket. He's much younger than Poncho. So there's Rocket. And then I'm gonna go over here. As you can see, I have 2 chickens. Now, the skinny one to your left of your camera. So this one that I'm showing right now, that one is Hazel. The other one is over there is Nut. Hazel and Nut. Hazel and Nut, they are a pair. We got them when they were pullets from the stock shop. And so they were together in the cage before. So yeah. Okay, here's a little chicken advice. If you ever get chickens, try to get them in pairs or more. Never get a chicken alone, because the chicken will most likely die of depression, or it'll just be depressed, as chickens are social animals. And here's another safety hint: if you do not want to go to jail, then if you do not want to go to jail, then if you live in a suburban or urban area, you're prohibited to keep from keeping roosters as pets. Anyways, let's go and take Rocket on a walk. Rocket, come here, boy. Come here. He gets so excited for walks. Okay, let's get you. There we go. Okay, he's all hitched up. We're gonna take him on a walk. Come on, boy. Let's go on a nice little walk, Rocket. Come on. Yeah, come on, boy. So we're gonna take Rocket for a walk. This might be a long walk, might be a short walk. But let's see. There's Rocket. I'm not gonna be able to show a bunch because yeah. Anyways, we are going to go over there to across the street to Rocket's favorite pig. Yeah. We are going to go to Rocket's favorite pig bush. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh, look at floppy ears. Rocket is so cute when he has floppy ears. Okay. Sniffing. He really likes this yard, and he really likes peeing around this humongous bush tree thing. The background noise would be some kid playing basketball. Oh yeah. Oh man, wish he ran over it. Would have been much cooler if he ran over it. We are going. Okay, he's smelling someone. Are you okay if I get you on camera? No? Okay. Hey, buddy. Now he smells other dogs. Okay. I'm shooting a video. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So, over there, as you can see, is a lawn. I was just showing you birds, trying to make sure you like any addresses. Okay, we're gonna go the other way. Past Nate's Wonderful. Past this person, who I am going to call Joe. We're gonna pass Joe's Wonderful Bush, which Joe isn't his actual name. We're walking, we're walking, we're walking. Now I'm gonna let Rocket off the leash because Rocket is behaved. I hope Rocket's behaved enough to actually go off the leash. Okay. Come on, boy. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Rocket, come on, boy. Okay, come on, boy. So we are going to the other side. So, yeah. And there's a car coming for us. Rocket, come on. It's like stuck in the middle of the road. Hope I'm not considered pedestrian. Okay. Back with. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Wait, sit, stay. Stay there. Stay. Rocket knows some. Stay. He knows some commands. Sometimes he doesn't want to follow them, but stay. Stay. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. I'm gonna show you floppy ears. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Floppy ears is like the cutest thing ever. Oh, here is my cat, Golden. She's my Rocket. Come here, boy. Rocket, come here. She is my Tabby. She's my orange Tabby. I got her from a shelter. And look. She has a hazel eyes. And if I can possibly flip it over. Okay. She has white on her underbelly. And then, so yeah, that's Golden. Yeah. Anyways, back to the walk. Back to the walk, guys. Okay, Rocket decided to run. Rocket! No! Rocket! Rocket! Come here, boy! Rocket is being stubborn right now. Rocket, come here, boy! Rocket! Rocket, come here! That stubborn dog. Stop. Okay. Come here. You are going on a leash from now on because you are one. Now Rocket is my worst, like my most stubbornest dog. Oh, look over there. If you see that other cat right there by Golden, that is Houston. So that's Houston over there. She's a tabby. I got her when she was a kitten. She also gets scared very easily. But that's Houston. Yeah, that's Houston. They both are outdoor cats. And she come on. Yeah. I'm gonna show you my other pets later. We get back to the house. But we are almost there. Rocket did not decide to go poop today. So there is Houston. She is camera shy. Now Houston is a very camera shy cat. Okay, she just ran off. She is a tabby as well. So, as you can see, right there. If I zoom in, meow, meow, meow. So there's my tabby. So that's Houston. I got her at a shelter. And now we're gonna go inside, and I am gonna show you my other pet. My other pet. Rocket, no! Rocket likes barking. Come on, boy. Rocket! 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 Rocket, come here, boy! Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So, if you can probably hear the noise in the background, but that's my mom, and that is the TV. Anyway, I am going to go and show you my pet fish. She can sometimes be annoying. Don't know if he's loud, but here is my pet fish. Okay, he's definitely alive. I am gonna feed him. Okay. He eats this balanced nutrition, beautiful colored stuff. It's like made of plankton and stuff. So anyway. Also, Rocket is indoor outdoor. I have to actually shower him now. So that's the fish food. I like plankton and stuff. I'm gonna take this. So what I do is I just take pinch this stuff. Then I open this. Then I sprinkle it in. That's it. Then go nom nom nom. By the way, his name is gonna be Mr. Blaze. Anyways, that was my pets. Now I've also had a rabbit, and then he died. Her name was Mixley. Then we got another rabbit named Avalanche. My mom returned it. Then we got we also got a peach-faced parrot named Mango. He died. I've also had a pigeon as a pet named Turbo. He died too. We've also had lots of other. We've had ducks. My cousin's duck became a goose. My cousin's duck lived with us because she could not keep the duck, as she had a dog already who would eat the duck, and her dad wouldn't allow it. So yeah, and then her duck became a goose, and my duck became a duck, and then they died. Well, actually, the goose we had to return. So anyways, those were all my pets. Anyway, bye.